Master T.M. Arun Kumar,
அந்த பக்கம் போயிடு ஃபாதர்.
Master D. Satish, Master M. Praveen Kumar, Master R. Saranjeevi, Master S. George Fernandez, Master S.K.R. Purushothaman, Master S. Sabarish, Master G. Karthikeyan, Master D. Santanu, Master K. Thanijay Velavan, Master R. Satish, Master S. Rai Robin, Master M. Seshatri, Master J. Anish Raj, Master K. Nivedan, Master R. Kirubakaran, Master S. M. Shanmugapriyan, Master J. Mohammed Javed.
And my dear students, I'm really happy to spend quite some time in this August gathering of parents, both teaching and non-teaching staff members and students. The purpose of this meeting, of this function, is so to say to showcase all the activities of the school that took place around the year. Curricular activities, co-curricular activities.